Welcome to this video introduction to base 4 and how to do some counting in base 4, what its structure is, and how to do some counting. As we know, whatever our base is, that is how many digits we have. So base 4 has 4 digits. And those digits always start with 0, by the way. So our digits are 0, 1, and 2, and 3. Once we hit our base, that means we're going to be moving over. We're going to be carrying over. And then we have place values. This is about positional number systems. So they have place values. Your place value always begins with a ones place. The next place over is your base, in this case 4. And then we just multiply by that base as far as we want to go for as many place values as we want. So we have a ones place, a fours place, and then 4 times 4 is 16. And if we multiply that by 4, we get 64. And if we multiply that by 4, we get 256. And that's far beyond where we're going to count. But just to give you the idea, you can just keep multiplying by 4. The next base up would be 1024 and then 4096. We don't need to go that far. This is just the structure. Your base has as many digits as the base, in this case 4, 0, 1, 2, 3. Then you start with the ones place. Times 4 is 4, times 4 is 16, times 4 is 64, etc. So as we get started counting in this base, well, 1 is just 1, and 2 is 2, and 3 looks like the familiar 3 that we're used to, but we don't have a symbol that looks like a 4 to us, but we have a place for that. So after we hit 3, we carry over, and that thing that looks like a 10, it's a 1-0. It's not a 10. This many is 10. It's a 1-0, one group of 4 with no ones. So far we have 1 and 2 and 3, and then we have 4. And as we keep counting, the next thing looks like an 11, but it's not, it's a 5. Because it's one group of 4 with one more, with 1, 1. We keep going. 1, 2, 1, 3, and it's not going to be 1, 4, it's going to be 2, 0. How far have we counted? What is 2, 0? Well, that's saying there are 2 in the 4's place, which means that should be 8. Well, let's check it. We were up to 5, then 6, then 7, and then sure enough, this would be 8. 2, 0 is 8, and then you go from there. 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, and then it's 3, 0, and you keep going. So whenever you hit, after you hit a 3, you're going to end up pushing over into the next place value, because once you've got a group of 4, it moves up into the next place. So that is our quick introduction to base 4, its structure, and how to count in base 4.